Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EDSA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume with the headlines out there. But overall, quite the eventful, like I said, mover. Traded it once, but it was kind of goofy, and then good old Uncle Sam stepped in and started to halt it all the time, and it just got messy. But regardless, I will be keeping an eye on it going into Friday, so I want to map out some areas of support and resistance that stand out, at least to me from a technical perspective. First key level of support, where the buyers really kind of made themselves known, is right here at the $7 and basically 15-cent mark, give or take. And that's what also makes this very interesting, because essentially the price is sitting right at this area of support. Now, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery or anything like that on my part. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same thing, which they are, I mean, if you have a very, if you know what you're looking for in charts, there are a lot of other people out there watching this exact level. So when you have a lot of people watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. And 720, 715, right around that area is going to be that level that a lot of people are indeed watching. So we'll see if it does hold up as support. If it does not, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it would not be very shocking at all to see the price move down to that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, and that's valued right around $6.20. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, but especially if it's a higher volume break of that 715-ish mark, then yeah, I would expect it to go down to at least 620, if not lower at that point in time. But those will be the first couple levels of support as Friday kicks off. Now, in the event this is some sort of support level, because you got to give credit where credit's due, the price has been down around this area several times, and each time it has held. So in the event the price starts to bounce, where are some of these areas of resistance at? As far as where the sellers are at, key level going to be right there at $8.60. If the price can push up through $8.60, next key level after that would be right up around the $10 mark. So $8.60 and $10 key levels if they're, if this is a level of support. Right now, though, it's looking pretty shaky. But the good news is, like I said, there's no such thing as a guarantee. So just because it's looking shaky doesn't mean that it's for sure going to be shaky. So we'll see what happens with it. But as always, this is why risk management and risk control is so important. So be disciplined and trade wise. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.